I'm about to say something crazy. Listen to this. The best way to profit and to make money in a crashing market is to get involved in the stock market. Let me explain. More importantly, it is being able to profit from a crashing market. How do you do that? Well, you do that by leveraging something called futures. Okay, I'm sure people will also reference options. I don't mess with options for a variety of reasons, mainly just because futures is much more straightforward. Essentially, you can take something like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ or the Dow Jones or some of these indexes for the stock market, and instead of just buying and hoping that it continues to go up if the market crashes, what you're able to do is you're able to sell the market. You're able to, quote, short the market. And when you short the market, you make money when it goes down. Think about that. You can also buy it if it's going up, but you can also make money when it goes down. It's called shorting the market. Pretty wild, I know. This is why I like futures. I personally like to do futures day trading. It's not something for the faint of heart. I don't recommend that you do it, but it's something fascinating to look into. And if you feel called by God to participate in it, then it might be something, worth considering. But it is interesting, isn't it, that you can absolutely make money regardless of how the economy is doing, having a skill set like this. And I'm still just amazed by it and astounded by the opportunity there, right? Whether the market goes up, if you know what you're doing, you make money. If the market goes down, if you know what you're doing, you can make money. And you can do that with things like options. And Forex is something that people will sometimes use. There's even like crypto futures. I don't mess with that. And then there's regular futures, right? And personally, I like trading NASDAQ. I in particular like shorting NASDAQ, but at the end of the day, the market kind of tells you what it wants to do. And when you learn something like technical analysis, which sounds crazy, complicated and stuff, it can be simplified. And honestly, if you understand a simple strategy, it then boils down more so to having the character and the discipline to just follow that strategy at that point. So if you weren't aware, now you're aware. You can absolutely make money off of the market crashing by actually leveraging the market itself. Some people will try to make money when the market crashes by going into a different vehicle, right? Maybe like gold or something else. But you can actually just ride the train down and make money as well. Pretty awesome. Anyways, have a good day.